name is Carolyn DiFiore. I work at the Hershey Company. I'm the manager of digital content deployment. I've been a Salsify customer, even though I've only been at Hershey for a year and a half. Throughout my career, I've been a Salsify customer for over 5 years. Working with Salsify has really allowed us to deliver our best-in-class content to our online retail partners. So as e-commerce and omnichannel become more, ubiquitous in the overall shopping journey, we want to deliver content that's going to replicate that in-store experience on the digital space. So we want to, tell our consumers, what do our products look like? What do they taste like? Help consumers imagine themselves using the product. So Salsify has allowed us to streamline that process by just making things easier to publish, increasing speed to market, just streamlining those processes. PXM Advanced has really allowed us to unlock a lot of efficiencies, specifically with channel mapping. So the channel mapping process, there's less clicks involved. We're able to see how the formulas that we're writing are impacting the attributes in real time, rather than having to click back and forth. So from a user experience perspective, I think it's a huge step up. With PXM Advanced, we were able to unlock the Kroger new item API, which greatly impacted our speed to market and our overall publication handle time. So prior to using the Salsify direct connection for Kroger, we were using another provider. The speed to market it took much longer than the retailer SLA. There were a lot of manual steps involved in the publication, and we were able to increase our speed to market from, on average, 11 days from publication to live on shelf to 4 days, which is huge for us. Increases the amount of selling days for our content and our new products. And also from a handle time perspective, on average, it was taking us around 13 minutes to get the items ready for publication and get it and send it out. We were able to decrease that down to around 4 minutes per item, which is awesome.